The Australia Award Scholarship is currently open for applications. So I will be looking at the guidelines for Africa. If you are from a different continent, please understand that there will be a specific guideline for you, so you can find your guideline in the official scholarship page. So I've also put the link to the official scholarship page in the video description so that you can go and read or find out more information about the scholarship. Before we proceed, remember to join my Patreon through the link in the video description as well, so that you can get fast scholarship updates. I post regular updates, regular scholarship updates there, so you can join us and download the app as well. Now, let's have a look at the requirements for the Australia Award Scholarship and also the application process. As we go through the guidelines, if you feel that this is a bit overwhelming for you, or you feel that you need support, you need assistance, or you need guidance with your application, please do sign up for my one-on-one scholarship mentorship through the link in the video description as well. I am going to skip the information about the scholarship. You can read it at your own time. These are the eligible African countries. Before you start your application, please make sure that your country is on the list of eligible countries for the scholarship. Eligible means the countries for which applicants can apply for the scholarship. And here are the priority fields. That means you have to find a course, you have to find a master's degree course under these priorities. Remember, the scholarship is only for masters, not PhD. So you have to find a master's for agriculture and food security, climate change, foreign policy and international security, gender, disability and social inclusion, mining and energy. So it will depend on what your field is. You can look under these priority areas and find a suitable course that aligns with the priority areas. Like I mentioned, this is for masters and this is for commencement in 2026. You are applying now, but you go to Australia for your studies in 2026. The benefits of the scholarship, which I know you like, this is the part you like most. You will get a return air travel. Return air travel meaning you get a flight ticket to Australia and back home after your studies. You get a once-off establishment allowance on arrival. This is like a settlement allowance to help you get settled in Australia. Of course, your tuition fees will be covered. You get a contribution to living expenses. There's an introductory academic program that you undertake. You also get your health cover for the duration of the scholarship. Supplementary academic support. I guess it depends on the kind of support that you're going to need. Field work allowance for when if you are doing masters, if you are doing masters by research, yes, or masters by coursework, which has a compulsory field work component, then you'll be covered. And also reasonable accommodation if you have a disability that need support. Eligibility criteria. So there's a whole handbook that covers everything about the scholarship, detailed information about the scholarship. You can download that handbook and go through it. But let's look at the requirements, the eligibility requirements. So you should be a minimum of 25 years of age by 1 February 2026. That means by next year, 1 February 2026, you should be 25 years and above. At a minimum, have 5 years of postgraduate work experience working in a field relative to the field of study. I guess this is straightforward. Be employed at the time of applying for the scholarship. Uh, please don't ask me why. I don't know. I'm reading the requirements, okay? If you are not working, I don't know. But this is what they're saying. We have already gone through the countries. Not already hold or be undertaking a master's degree or equivalent. So that means you should not be having a master's degree when you're applying for the scholarship, or you should not be currently enrolled in a master's degree program. You should already have an undergraduate degree, and then you should not have previously received the Australia Awards. There's going to be a need for the IELTS test, the English test, and you should have 6.5 in total, and in each band, nothing less than 6.5. Of course, the scholarship is already open. The closing deadline is 30 April 2025. You have plenty of time to work on your application. The application is done online. These are the documents that you are expected to submit, the required documents: passport, undergraduate certificate, undergraduate transcript, CV, employee referee report. There's a form, there's an employee referee report that you actually have to download, and the academic referee report. You have to download this forms on the official website, on the official website of the scholarship, and have your referees fill in the forms. You will need the IELTS test, excluding candidates if their first language is English and if they have undertaken their education in English. You might be exempted from the test. The selection process, I think we can skip this one and focus on you sending through your application, but just know that there will be an interview if you are shortlisted. So all this information, you also get some preparatory trainings, all this other information you can read at your own time. What I need you to focus on is the required documents, and also pay attention to the eligibility criteria, and make sure that you submit your application before the deadline. You have enough time. Remember to sign up for my scholarship mentorship if you need assistance, or if you feel that you are stuck and you need me to guide you through the application process, then please do sign up for my one-on-one mentorship, scholarship mentorship. I'll be happy to go through the application with you. All the best with your application.